What's going on, guys? It's your boy Walking Mondu, and today we are going to be working on the Jeep. Wait, wrong channel. 1 minute. So definitely not the Jeep, and this isn't Wrenchtrench Garage, but you should check it out, by the way. But this is Adam with Atomic Garage, and we'll talk more about that in just a minute. And inside of the shed, we've got something in there that you guys should take a look at coming up in this video. Drop that intro. So it's in here, it's in the shed. What could it be? I don't know. Let's see. Moment of truth. Nothing. Absolutely nothing but a box! Dun, 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 dun. So yes, I got a box from somewhere, and I still haven't put anything in the shed yet. I know I really need to do better with that. I definitely am, but you know what? Let's open up this box. Let's see what's in the box before you cast your judgment onto me, okay? So let's open it up. Alrighty then. We got a box. I'm gonna set you guys up in a different location, and we're gonna see exactly what it is. All right, so this box is from, we're gonna open up the box, and I'm gonna pull something out, and you guys tell me exactly who it's from, okay? Unboxing knife. Let's crack this open. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see it yet. Can you see it? Central Pneumatic. We went and did a little bit of shopping on Harbor Freight website. Yep, that's right. Harbor Freight website is where I did some shopping, and we got some things. As you can see from the paint strainers, it's a new adventure that we're about to embark on, and I truly don't know how it's gonna go at all. So yeah, guys, I know what you're saying. You're saying, all right, Adam, so we had several videos on the turbo, and now you're just switching lanes after the last video, after a couple weeks in between that, and we're now going on to something to do with paint strainers. And yes and no. And your next thing that you're probably gonna say is you failure, which would be a little harsh, but it'd be kind of true. So again, guys, as you know, I still plan on doing it, and I am still buying parts for it, but the car was down for so long, and I just waited and waited, and the way that I'm going to do it is still different than what most people do. Therefore, it's going to take more time, and I need to set this up first with my welder at the very least, so I can make adjustments, tack weld, and go from there, instead of eyeball something, that should be right, take it somewhere else, have someone else weld it, bring it back, and it's not right. Now I have to take it apart, grind it back down, smooth it out again, eyeball it, take it back, try it again. That process burnt me out mentally. But we're not talking about that. We're not talking about that, okay? We are talking about painting a car. We are talking about a beginner. We're talking about me, Adam Gibbs, founder of Atomic Garage. It's not my shirt, but Atomic Garage, okay? And I am a beginner. I haven't painted anything at all, okay? Besides the occasional spray can, and you guys have seen how that has went, okay? Look at this cat. Don't you start, man. Don't you start today. Thank you for coming to Fastenal. How can I help you? I don't know if you guys can see them. They just randomly come over, trying to seduce me into feeding them. But if there's a snake, they look at me. Anyway, guys, we're not going to be sidetracked by Seth the cat, okay? It's not really his name. I just came up with something. Anyway, we as true beginners, myself as a true beginner, I am going to try painting this car on the budget. Why? Because I want to, and I'm a cheapskate, and I don't mind failing to learn, which I have a pretty good track record, just throwing it out there. Anyway, this is what we have going on. The cat is distracting me. Go, Seth, go. He's gonna claw my back soon. Anyway, so we have the 20 ounce, the regular purple Harbor Freight cheapy air gun, spray gun, and we are going to attempt at using this, at dialing it in. I've watched hundreds of videos. We're gonna dial it in and see if we can get a beginner, okay? A beginner. I have never actually used a spray gun before. We're gonna see if we can actually make it work, okay? We're gonna see if we can make it work, okay? So, all right, we got that. Of course, we have paint mesh, the mesh paint strainers, okay? And this is to strain the paint, obviously. That's what it's for. You don't get a bunch of gunk and dirt and trash and stuff like that. You pour it straight through here into the gun, and it should turn out good. I mean, at least in theory, it should, okay? Boom. Okay, we got a disposable spray gun filter. Little one that constantly can get thrown out, shouldn't really matter. And we have a airflow regulator with the gauge. It'll go, I'm assuming, like this. Then it'll go like this, so that way I can see my pressure right on the spray gun and see if it actually is going to work or not. Move some of this. Haven't used it or cleaned one before, but got this 19-piece spray gun cleaning kit. Don't know if I'm gonna use it or need it for that fact, but it's at least good to have. It was super cheap. I can't remember how much. I'll go through prices once it's all said and done. Of course, you can't be an official YouTube graded paint sprayer man, paint sprayer without having the gravity feed, okay? You gotta have the gravity feed. You got to have the stand to put the gun in so you can try and pour your paint into it, because from what I've seen, those who try without make a humongous mess, okay? Humongous mess. So I'm not gonna be one of those noobs. I spent the 10, 15 bucks. I'm gonna look official when I paint my car outside with not automotive paint, okay? So we already went through that, So then we finally have this, because I cannot use that little coil from the coil hose from my compressor that I already have. That's a piece of crap. So I sprang for the Diablo 300 PSI rated, 3/8 size, 50 feet long PVC air hose. It's supposed to have a kink-proof color, which increases the hose life. Read it and weep, okay? Even though it does says it is for interior work conditions, we don't listen to labels, because we are grown men, and when we stub our toes on the side of our bed, we only cry for 20 minutes, okay? So there it is. That's what we've got. Grand total, okay? Grand total, okay? I live in South Carolina, okay? And there's a hub that's around an hour and 30 minutes away from me, okay? Hour and 30 minutes away from me. I bought this, all of this, on Thursday afternoon, okay? They said once it is shipped, it will then be charged to my account. Fine, of course. You wanna make sure you have everything first, and once you have everything and you're about to ship it, then that person will be charged, and then it gets shipped, and all along it goes. All right, so the gravity gun. Gravity gun cost me $12.99. $12.99 if you were to walk in and buy that. Next, we have the 3/8 air hose. This was $13.59, which honestly seems like a really good deal, or it could be cheap, one of the two. After that, we are looking at the regulator. Regulator, we are looking at $7.99. Pretty good. We'll have to see if it actually works. Then on top of that, we have the, hold on, wait a minute. The gun is actually $15.99, not $12.99. So the gun is $15.99, and the stand, this stand here is $12.99. Still, feel like it's a pretty good deal. Not mad at that at all, okay? Whether it was $12.99 or $15.99, still seemed to be a pretty good deal. Wow, that's the one thing about making a video outside. Okay, so you got your disposable moisture filter that you need, $2.99. And last but not least, the paint strainers, that is $4.99 for 100 of them, okay? 100 of them. That seems amazing. I'm pretty happy at that. So the only thing left that I need to get is some mixing cups so I can get the ratios right and some other stuff. So all of this came up to $63.53. Then I had to pay taxes, which was $4.45, and shipping tax, which was 49 cents. Shipping tax is 49 cents. Okay, but whatever. Anyway, it came up to a grand total. Oh, and shipping was $6.99. $7 for shipping. I live an hour away from the closest Harbor Freight. I think I'm pretty happy with that. My truck gets like 10 to 11 miles to the gallon. If you kind of ratio that out, I would have spent more money and time and gas in getting down there than just ordering it online. So $75.46 out the door is what I paid for it. And the process was honestly pretty painless. Like, many people don't really shop online, but I haven't had any problems, except when it doesn't tell you when it's going to ship. It doesn't say, okay, you're expected to ship on Saturday. Remember, I bought this stuff on Thursday afternoon. Fast forward, Saturday comes, I see on my bank account transaction, okay, cool, $75 came out for all of this stuff that you have seen. Okay, fast forward, no shipping, no tracking or anything like that. And when I tried to put it in, nothing came in when I finally did get one. Fast forward to Monday, it says, hey, it's gonna be shipped and dropped off to your house today. I said, okay. I look back at my account, for some reason, can't find the $75 on there at all. Like, can't find it. It's not showing up. So fast forward to Tuesday, which is today, it's delivered, and then I look at my account, it's now out of my account, and it's Tuesday. So from Thursday to the day it was delivered, it finally hit my account maybe, or maybe it's my bank on Tuesday. Several days different. I mean, that may not be a big deal to some, maybe a big deal to others. I kind of want it to, when it comes out and it's over with, not out in, and out when it's delivered the day of. That doesn't make any sense to me. But that's just my rant. So there it is, guys. That's what we've got. We've got a project coming up, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this pretty cheaply. And you're gonna judge me, and it's okay. It's okay. So I know what you guys are saying. You guys are saying, okay, Adam, you know, we know how you get down, right? Like, you are a cheapskate, and it is true. So I am taking my cheap skatery, or cheap, I don't know what it is, the cheapskate traits. And we are going to fix that rust spot. I don't know if some of my OG viewers know about the BMW. I did a thing. I don't know if you noticed it. Behind me maybe was a sign right there. I did this. Yep, that's right. I'm like not proud of it, but then like I'm not ashamed of it at the same time. So what I'm gonna do in a future video is we are going to cut this off, shave it down, clean it up, then go over it again with Bondo, kind of grind a lot of that out of it. Once it's nice and good, we'll shape it with a little bit of Bondo, with just a little spot, and then we will prepare the rest of the car to get done. Like, honestly, the car needs to be cleaned first and foremost before we do anything else. These scratches, like, look at these scratches. They are awful. It's really bad. So we're gonna sand the whole car down. I may go with different mirrors, sand it down, Bondo the spots that needs to be done, and we're gonna paint the car. What color exactly? I don't know, but I will give you a hint onto how I'm gonna paint it. I'm not using automotive paint. You can sue me, okay? I've been seeing a growing trend, okay, on YouTube that people were using Rust-Oleum paint to paint a car. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see if it's actually any good or not, okay? we might fail, okay? But anything is better than this right here. Like, look at that, okay? I tried to mock up that ducktail and it came at a price. It came at a price. But anyway, I'm rambling now. I'm rambling. So that's it for me, guys. I don't have anything else except for the fact that you need to check out my buddy's channel, Walking Man Dude. Let me tell you, he's got a automotive based channel called Wrenchtrench Garage. First off, logo is amazing. Just like, I mean, his logo is great, I'm gonna be honest with you. But his videos go way more in depth in problems and fixing problems than mine do. Honestly, I try to condense mine down and end up having to leave a lot of stuff out. But this guy, he gives you a nice 20 to 30 minute video and you can watch it and be like, wow, I didn't know that. And you can learn stuff and it's honestly amazing. So check out his channel. Link will be in the description of this video as well, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Tell me, what color would you like the BMW to be painted? If I'm crazy, am I just being a cheapskate? What? Just give me your input on it. You body guys, I know you're gonna crucify me, right? You're gonna crucify me, but stick with me. Give me a little bit of input, okay? This is a give and take right here, and we're going to work this out. I plan on getting the car painted sooner rather than later. Also because, as you notice, I'm outside. There's no paint booth. We need to do it right now would be perfect, honestly, because the temper is great. Nothing is dropping on the car. Like, now would be great, but obviously I haven't started yet. But we're gonna start. We're gonna get it going. I'm gonna grab a couple other things. This video is too long. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Walking Man Dude.